Introducing the iPhone 16, where innovation meets elegance. Cut to a close-up of the A18 chip animation. Narrator. At its core lies the A18 chip, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Scene transitions to a user effortlessly navigating through apps and multitasking. Narrator. Experience seamless multitasking and responsiveness like never before. Showcase the 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with vibrant visuals. Narrator. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals on the 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. Highlight the 48-megapixel fusion camera capturing detailed photos. Narrator. Capture life's moments with the 48-megapixel fusion camera, ensuring every detail is preserved. Demonstrate the new camera control button in action, quickly accessing camera features. Narrator. With the innovative camera control button, access your camera instantly and never miss a shot. Show the action button being customized to launch different apps. Narrator. Customize the action button to suit your needs, making your iPhone truly yours. Display a user enjoying extended usage without charging. Narrator. Stay powered longer with enhanced battery life, keeping up with your day effortlessly. Conclude with the iPhone 16 logo and tagline. Narrator. The iPhone 16, redefining what's possible. End with the Apple logo. Key points for a 2-minute review video. 1. Design and display. Discuss the sleek design and the 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, emphasizing visual clarity. 2. Performance. Highlight the A18 chip's capabilities, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness. 3. Camera system. Review the 48-megapixel fusion camera's photo quality and the functionality of the new camera control button. 4. Customization. Explain the versatility of the action button and how users can tailor it to their preferences. 5. Battery life. Share insights on the improved battery performance, suitable for extended daily use. 6. User experience. Summarize the overall user experience, considering the integration of new features and enhancements.